Did you know that by the age of 35, roughly half of the population has experienced some form of teeth discoloration? A striking reality, isn't it? Teeth discoloration is more common than we'd like to admit, and it's not just about vanity. It's a matter that can deeply affect one's self-esteem and social interactions. So, what causes this unsettling phenomenon? For some, it's the result of consuming certain foods and drinks. Coffee lovers, wine enthusiasts, and those with a sweet tooth for berries might find themselves in this category. For others, it's tobacco use that casts a shadow on their smiles. And then there's poor dental hygiene. Neglecting regular brushing and flossing can lead to discoloration over time. Lastly, let's not forget the inevitable process of aging that can naturally darken our teeth. But don't despair, there's a solution to this widespread problem: teeth whitening at the dentist. Now, what exactly happens when you go for a teeth whitening procedure at the dentist's office? Well, let's get into it. The process begins with an initial consultation. Here, your dentist will examine your teeth and gums to ensure they're healthy and fit for the procedure. They'll also discuss your whitening goals and what to expect. It's a perfect time to ask any questions you might have. Next up, your teeth will be thoroughly cleaned. This isn't your everyday brushing or flossing. The dentist or a dental hygienist will use professional tools to meticulously remove any plaque and tartar buildup. This step is crucial because it allows the whitening agent to work more effectively on the surface of your teeth. Now here comes the exciting part. Once your teeth are squeaky clean, a whitening agent is applied. This isn't some over-the-counter concoction. We're talking about a high-concentration peroxide gel, the real deal. Your gums and lips will be protected with a special cover to ensure they're not affected by the gel. But we're not done yet. The next stage involves a special light or laser. This isn't some sci-fi gadget, but a carefully calibrated device that activates the whitening agent. The light or laser speeds up the process, breaking down the peroxide and allowing oxygen to enter the enamel and dentin. This is what makes your teeth whiter. Now, depending on the current shade of your teeth and your desired shade, this process may be repeated. It's not unusual for a single session to involve 2 to 3 applications of the whitening agent, each followed by the use of the special light or laser. Through it all, your dentist will be there, ensuring everything goes smoothly and comfortably. It's an interactive process where you're not just a patient, but an active participant in achieving your perfect smile. And voila, in a matter of hours you can walk out with a brighter, whiter smile. Let's recap on what we've learned about teeth whitening. This process is a safe and effective way to brighten your smile when carried out by a professional. It goes beyond the surface to lift deep-seated stains, resulting in a noticeable difference in the luminosity of your teeth. Remember, teeth whitening is not a one-size-fits-all procedure. It can be tailored to your individual needs to achieve the level of whiteness you desire. This means you have control over the final outcome, and you can decide just how bright you want your smile to be. The results of this procedure can last for several years, given you maintain proper dental hygiene and make wise lifestyle choices. This includes brushing and flossing regularly, avoiding stain-causing foods and beverages, and scheduling regular dental checkups. So if you're longing for a more dazzling smile, consider teeth whitening at the dentist. It's a small investment for a big boost in confidence.